Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is the Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. If you are joining me here for the first time, welcome. I really hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. If you are coming back and choosing to spend some time with me, thank you so very much. I am so grateful that you're choosing to spend some time with me and create a spread. Okay, here we go. So I am going to be using my own stickers. So I printed some stickers and then I'm gonna cut them with my Cricut, and then here we go. Here is where we are. Okay, so I have those sheets. I'm also going to be using the Mojo Jojo neutral boxes. Those boxes have lots of grays that I wanted to incorporate, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this girl in a jacket with the words winter. I'm gonna go ahead and add her to my sidebar, which is so, like, that sticker is so beautiful with the florals, and winter letters. It's just really beautiful. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add sweater weather to the other side. Okay, so this beautiful girl with just a scarf that says sweater weather. She has flowers in her hair. She's just super lovely. Okay, if I forgot to say this, we are planning for the week of January 17th through the 23rd. So whatever you're seeing on that page is actually true. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this chair with the table with really cozy vibes, with a cat sleeping in like a little cat bed. So just really cozy stuff. I'm gonna also go ahead and add more elements to this spread in just a second. There's this blanket that I want to incorporate. I just don't know where. Maybe on this corner, and then I can just trim the edges. Yeah, I think that looks super cozy. Like I said, that's what I'm going for, and it seems to be working out. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and add these florals that I created. So I made this bunch by myself. I just took a whole bunch of florals and combined them together, and I think that came out so good. So I'm just gonna add them to the bottom of the page to make it stand out a little bit more, because I want those winter florals in here as well, like so. Are you guys fans of mixing florals with all the other items as well, or do you rather just stick to one type of sticker? So like if you're doing cozy, then just do a scene and not really add florals or dolls or stuff like that. Because for me, again, huge advantage for me to mix those. I really enjoy looking at everything, especially with colors like this where they're a little bit more pastel, and I really enjoy spreads like this where they're just aesthetically pleasing and all of the colors balance out. Okay, I'm adding a few more elements, so I made those two mugs together. Because it does remind me of sweater weather. I printed quite a few pages, so chances are I'm not going to be using all of them, but I wanted to make sure I have enough stickers to do this, and I made a whole bunch of different arrangements as well. And now it's time to add some boxes. So again, I'm using the neutral Mojo Jojo, so I'm going to be adding grays. I'm going to be interchanging the super light grays with darker grays to really grab my attention. And then smaller boxes throughout. Okay, and I am kind of interchanging the bigger boxes with the smaller boxes and overlapping them with some items, like so. And for this week, I think I'm going to be doing more than one box per day. So if you see more than one box, I have a lot going on this week and quite a few projects that I have started that I need to finish. So I need them to jump out at me. And I'm gonna overlap with a smaller gray box, like so. Actually a lighter one, so there we go. That's connected and it looks quite lovely. So I'm gonna add a few more of those to make sure I can overlap everything. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add just a couple more boxes. A gray one down on a Wednesday, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add another one. The one on Friday is crooked, but I don't think I can do anything about it. These are quite difficult to peel up. Okay, one more big one on Sunday. So most days we'll have at least 2 boxes. One more on Friday because I know I have something going on right up there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. I can't lift it, it's not working very well. I'm gonna add one more on Tuesday, like so. Okay, I think the spread is overwhelmed with boxes now, so I am pretty much finished. I just need to add a few more decorative pieces, and then I think we will be done with this spread. Let me know down below what you think about this one. I know it's different and sticker packed and completely unusual for what I typically create. I actually had a lot of fun making my own stickers. So I will be doing this way more often. Like I said last year, that in January I will be making a lot more stickers and having fun with actually my Cricut machine. So here is that time. So I'm gonna add cozy vibes in between that little cat and that pillow, and I'm gonna add another pillow right up here. And we will be almost done. So I'm gonna add some flowers because my spreads are not complete without any florals, so I need to add those. I'm gonna be cutting them in half or even more because I need this to fit in my spread. So let's go ahead and fill it up with florals. I love these pastel colors. I think that's so lovely. And I can't get enough of them. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few of those and incorporate them into the spread. And there's something exciting about using stickers that you have created by yourself. It just gives you a completely different feeling. Okay, one more flower. I'm going to go ahead and add a blue and a pink one to balance out the colors. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half. And then I will be almost done. So just a couple little nuggets that I'm adding here. I know the spread is super full. I think once I write in it, it's gonna look even better. Like I said, I normally don't fill my spread this much, but I wanted to see what it will be like if I did create a spread with minimal writing space. Because I do tend to overfill myself and overplan myself. This way the space will also limit what I can plan, right? Okay, so almost done. I think I just need something in that sidebar because everything else is so full, but that sidebar is not. I might add another girl with that scarf. Especially, let's see, she looks different, so she doesn't have flowers or the writing, so I think that looks good, and her color is different. And I think I want to add a blanket between Monday and Tuesday, but let's see what it looks like in my planner first. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I have to trim that little piece right on Wednesday. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. Like I said, I will add that blanket between Monday and Tuesday. And my spread is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.